Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to submit Singapore arrival card step by step. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to navigate through a service. Alright guys. So guys, in front of you I have opened official Singapore government agency website, and if you go to Singapore, you need to submit the Singapore arrival card. There are certain exceptions like those transferring through Singapore without seeking immigration clearance and residents traveling through the land checkpoint. Fine. But if you travel through air, let's say you're going for tourism and other purposes, you need to have this in place. Okay. Now if I scroll down, we have two options. Singapore citizens, PRs and long-term pass holders need to click here, and foreign visitors including in principal approval holders, they need to click this principal. So you need to I mean click based on your situation, and it's mandatory to do, and there are penalties if you uh, do not submit it, or if you provide false information. See, so you don't want this, right? There are some imprisonment also, so you don't want to go like it could be subjected to you if you do that, so you don't want to do that, right? So let's come here, click on here, click here. Okay, what are the things? Passport, contact information, travel information, all info provided in English. All right, and all right, so on top we have individual submission, group submission, update a submission. So let's say you're going individual, you are going to click on this. If you're going for group, this. If you want to update your submission, you can go for this, and e-pass, this one. So let's go for individual submission. Let's say you are traveling alone. So first, you have to provide particulars, then trip, then preview, and then submit. Again, of course I will not submit, but let's see what I can do here. So first they have asked for name, passport, nationality. So I'm going to put some sample details and click on continue. So after I click on continue, still I'm in particulars, but more sections have been enabled. So I'm going to put some sample details. Just some sample, guys. Okay, so see, they have like detailed information. If I click on Canada, they have given based on province, so you can check for your country as well how it provides. So for example, if I put Oshawa, okay, I have gone to this place a few times. Country, place of birth, whatever is applicable in your case. Email address, okay, I'm gonna provide email and sample mobile numbers. I provided some sample details. Let's see if it accepts. Okay, now more sections have been enabled. Date of arrival, so remember guys, 3 days in advance. So this mode of travel, air, click on confirm. Mode of travel details, commercial, flight code, type of accommodation, hotel, name of hotel. Wow. Let's say you get the flight from Toronto International Airport, so I click on Toronto. After Singapore, same as the last city if you are returning. Okay, date of departure, let's say you are departing on 28. Others, have you US passport under inter I select no. Okay, health declaration, have stayed any of the listed countries in Afghanistan in past 6 days. So you can see the list, but because it's a sample, I'm clicking no. The only symptom in last fever, cough, no. Fever, cough, shortness of breath, vomiting, I select no. Vaccinated with, so they are still asking COVID-19 information. I'm holding a non-digital pass certificate, no cure, vaccination QR code. Okay. So now I'm in trip details. So now they have asked me to click on next. I can add a trip as well. Now preview. and then at the end I'm gonna submit. So I'm not gonna do that, but you got the idea. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank